Number 5. This woman stumbles across a group of men dumping trash on the side of the road. They're blocking her from proceeding and she confronts them.
What do you think you're doing? It's illegal dumping rubbish. What do you think you're doing?
The man in front spots the dash cam and they become angry.
The camera! Give me the camera!
Get off!
Give me the camera! The camera!
Get off!
Camera!
Get off!
Hey!
God, for God's sake! God's sake!
She is able to lose the group and gets away safely. If they caught her, who knows what they would have done. Number 4. A man is driving his 2004 Subaru Forester XT down Angeles Crest Highway in California. According to Wikipedia, segments of the road reach elevations above 7,000 feet. This video demonstrates why you should always pay attention while you're driving. After this incident, the driver said he had a second chance at life. You will soon see why. Already, the driver appears to be distracted. While driving, he points his phone out the window and begins recording the scenery. Again, I must say the drop below can be 7,000 feet. When he finishes, he decides to really give the car some gas. This is not the place to be accelerating. His line of sight is obscured by the tunnel. He is not aware of what's about to come next. Immediately after the tunnel, there's a sharp turn in the road. He swerves and loses control. The car begins to roll but comes to a stop. Miraculously, the car stopped on a rock wall that was part of a drainage pipe, saving his life. Even more amazing, the driver was completely unharmed. The emergency personnel on scene called the driver the luckiest person they've ever seen. The driver said himself he was distracted at the one moment that required 110% focus. Number 3.
I'm telling you to pull up. You go.
This passenger begins filming after an unseen incident with the vehicle in front of them.
Hey God.
Dude! Do all these cars see this, I hope?
The truck in front is trying to get them to stop their vehicle.
Oh my God!
Oh my God, go, 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 go.
They successfully get around the truck.
This is the craziest I've ever
I've
seen.
never seen anything like this.
I hope all these cars are calling the cops. Like, I have to drive fast to, like, get in front of her.
I know.
The driver begins accelerating heavily, trying to get away from the truck chasing them.
Dude, I don't know what to do!
The truck once again gets in front of the vehicle.
Keep driving. I know, just keep.
The passenger calls 911 for emergency help.
We have a really bad emergency on Highway 9 or Highway 80, and we're right now passing Dutch Flat Road. We have a vehicle that has been following us, telling us that she's a cop and keeps trying to tell us to pull over. And it's
Swerving in front of us?
Yes, we're in the white Mazda. Yes, ma'am.
They tell the 911 operator the truck is trying to hit their vehicle.
She keeps trying to hit us off the road.
I'm freaking out.
Off camera, the truck rear ends their car.
Yes. She just hit our car. She just hit our car. She's pushing us off of the road. Yes, she's pushing us off the road. She's coming for us. Put it in reverse. Put it in reverse, Vanessa. Put it in reverse.
The truck driver runs in front of them.
No. They're telling us to exit. They're telling us to exit.
She's standing in front of me, dude.
We don't know what to do.
Apparently, the woman driving the truck says she's a police officer and that they're under arrest, though this appears to be a lie.
CHP office. She's telling us that we're getting arrested.
Dude, she's so amazing. She's so
At us.
These two individuals are clearly terrified.
It says next right fuel. We're trying. I don't know if we already passed Dutch Flat or not. I'm
The
not.
911 operator is giving them instructions to exit and drive to a police station.
We're gonna exit right now on Dutch Flat. go to your right as soon as you exit. Please make sure somebody's right there. She's crazy.
She's right
please.
behind us. She's...
Yes.
The truck continues to follow them.
Take another right. There's a 76 gas station.
Good,
Take
she's
a right.
definitely following me.
There's a right.
Take a right, highway.
She said it's a really short little road. Take a right. Yes, we're taking a right here.
The passenger spots a police officer.
There's an officer parked right here in the vehicle. Can he help us, please? Can he help us? Please. Go to the officer. Go to the officer. Go to the officer. Okay. Okay. Please. Make sure he helps us. Please. Help us. Please.
It appears after they drive over to the police car, the truck driver leaves them alone. Again, anything can happen on the road. Number 2. This woman begins filming after an incident with the car in front of her. That incident, though, was not filmed. It appears the driver wants her to stop the car. She brakes to a complete stop on the road. And then continues driving again.
C7.
The driver in front flashes their brakes multiple times. Here they stop the vehicle again. Though it appears the driver is just letting the car that's turning through. The car in front drives very slowly before once again slamming on its brakes. We hear the driver filming shout no.
No!
She does not want to get out of her vehicle. Next, the car in front swerves halfway off the road. Let's skip ahead a bit here. Still, this woman is trapped behind this car in front of her. I think turning off any of these streets may have been a good idea. The car in front once again slams on their brakes. She wants to call 911, but also doesn't want to stop filming this incident.
Wish I had another phone. Somebody call 911.
Her daughter asks what's wrong.
Huh? This person in front of me is being a real character right now. She tried to slam into me when we were going through the 35-mile-an-hour speed zone. I guess that wasn't too fast for her.
According to the woman recording, the driver in front was upset with the speed she was going in a certain area, saying the car in front tried to slam into her. Clearly, the driver in front is very upset. The driver once again slams on their brakes, forcing this driver to come to a complete stop. The driver in front exits their vehicle. She runs over.
Somebody behind the Stop! Stop it! Stop! It's alright, Destiny.
You never know who you're going to encounter on the road. Number 1.
You needing the oxygen, Mark? Grant?
Roger.
Alright, you let me
To
know.
all you guys, as soon as I know where the driveway is, on the south side, north side of this road, we will pull out of here to just get some protection from this heat. Over.
This is dashcam footage from a fire truck in Australia. Wildfires have wreaked havoc on the area. They need to get out of here. With fire surrounding them in every direction, exiting this vehicle is not an option. The man filming shows the side of the road. There's literally nowhere to go but forward.
The window.
Alright, we'll just keep deep breathing and we'll just take it slow.
The scene is nightmarish.
I don't think we've got far to go. Probably another.
The entire area is on fire.
That's a relief.
It sounds like the air is unbreathable, so they are all currently staying alive via oxygen tanks.
We're just putting some oxygen in for the driver over.
Look at the massive fire to the right here. They are instructed to drop fire curtains to prevent further damage to the truck.
Drop your fire curtains on the sides, over.
That truck is the only thing keeping them alive right now. One firefighter offers some disturbingly motivating words of encouragement.
We've got no choice, we've got to get through this.
You're going to get hit with the front. Drop your side curtain. Just leave the front open. Just keep following us.
To survive, they have to keep pushing forward.
On the side, so only the driver's front is open.
One of the firefighters says debris is hitting the outside of the vehicle.
Debris hitting the
Yeah, Rob, keep pushing through. We're doing okay directly behind you, but you need to keep pushing through.
But apparently they're reaching the end.
The front.
Just remember,
So we're through. We're actually through the front, but we've still got zero visibility. But we're actually in front of the fire now once we get all through. So keep on going, guys. We're doing a good job.
There's so much smoke you can barely see the truck in front of them.
need any oxygen? Alright.
You feel the heat of that side curtain?
Yeah, I do.
Inman Valley
Amazingly, they make it out.
on our left-hand side, not far off the highway, over.
A huge cloud of smoke is still in the air.
Guys, where we're heading, so just keep...
Luckily, these brave firefighters made it out safely. This footage is nothing short of incredible.
Are you good?
Yep.
Marcus?
Yeah, good.
Grant?
Yep.
Alright.
Much better now.
2 an hour. 2 an hour.
Yeah, Victor.
This has been Documented Reality. Thank you to these individuals for allowing me to share their story.